Now let's create a particle effect. Make this particle system a child of a Stickman object. Now reset the transform. Change duration to 1 and start lifetime to 4.5. In the start color, choose a gradient. To create a gradient, click here, edit the location and choose the color. Now close the tab. Change the simulation speed to 3, emitter velocity, rigid body to transform, and set max particle to 300. Now open the renderer, go to the material and choose sprite default material. Now set the rotation to -60, 270 and -180 and Z position to 1. Also reduce the X scale to 0.1 and Y and Z scale to 0.5 and disable this object. Now hit play. No, it's not looking good. Okay, so free this object, enable it and change the scale to 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. Now once again make this child of a Stickman object and disable it and now test. Okay, so now it's look good.